about Myntra haul. So most of them are dresses and I have 3 makeup and 2 jewelry to show you guys. So let's get started with the video. So the first one is a jewelry from Voyala. This is how it looks. It came in this box. With this card. And also how to maintain the jewelry. So it's a jhumka. This is how it looks. Let me open it. It's really cute. It's such a cute jhumka. And it was priced at 850, but I got it for around 300 or something like that. So the next one is a bracelet and it also came in this box. So it's a silver bracelet. It's really pretty. This is how it looks. It's such a pretty bracelet. I loved it. So this was priced at 1000 rupees and I got it for 500 rupees. It's like a 50% off. So let's move on to the makeup. First one is from Sugar. So it's all packed. So this is a hydrating stick. And it was priced for 1000 rupees and I didn't get any discount for this. It's really nice and it's really hydrating. You should definitely try this one. So the next one is a foundation. It's from Kiko Milano. It's a skin tone foundation. It has SPF and FPS 15 and the shade is warm beige 40. So this was priced at 1890 and I got it for 1400 rupees. Next one is this. So it's a spotlight illuminating primer base. So this was priced at 1200 and I got it for 756. So now let's move on to the dresses. So the first dress is this one. It's an emerald green dress and the sleeves is like this. It's really nice sleeves and it's a frock and you have pearls in the bottom of the skirt and you also have to tie it in the back. And I bought it in the size small. It was priced at 2200 rupees, which is definitely not worth. And I got it for 660 rupees, which is a good bargain. So the next dress is this one. This is how it looks. It has a 3/4 sleeve and a collar neck. This is from a brand called AKS in the size small. And this is how it looks. This looks like it's a separate jacket, but it is not. This is how it looks. So the material is cotton and it's really pretty nice dress. So I've already worn it once and so I've kept the tag over here. So this was priced for 1700 rupees and I got it for 500 rupees. So the next one is a kurti pant and it's in a white color. And this was priced at 1150 and I got it for 600 rupees. So the next dress is this cute dress. This is how it looks. It's a fit and flare dress. It's really pretty in color and this was priced for 1200 rupees and I got it for 500 rupees and it's the size small. So the next one is a jumpsuit and this is how it looks. It's a really pretty jumpsuit. It was quite expensive and this was priced for 2800 rupees and I got it for 1500. So the next one is a kurta and this is how it looks. It's really pretty kurta and you have a slit over here. It's a silver color. It's really nice. It's so pretty. And this was was priced at 2050 rupees and I got it for 1000 rupees. So the next one is this cute dress. This is how it looks. It's a full sleeves dress. And you can wear this as a dress and also as a kurta. This is pure cotton. And this is from the brand Anok. So this was priced at 1500 rupees and I got it for 600 rupees. So the next one is this black shrug. It's a plain black shrug with only a single button. And this is how it looks in the back. It's written rule number 7, I'm a dreamer. And this was priced at 1000 rupees and I got it for 500 rupees. So the next one is also a shrug, but it's a ethnic shrug. This is how it looks. It's a full sleeves and this is how it looks, and this is the bottom part. It's really pretty shrug. You can tie it over here. This was priced at 900 rupees and I got it for 500 rupees. So the next I got is a kurta set. It's really pretty and it's a function wear. So this is the kurta. This is how it looks. It's a long kurta and it has a slit also. And this is the layer for the kurta and you have to tie it over here. This is really pretty. It's golden printed and it's really nice. It goes till the bottom, the print. It's really pretty layover and this is what makes the dress more prettier. And you also have a kurta pant which is also in the golden color. Overall it's really pretty dress and this was priced at 3500 rupees and I got it for 2500. So the next one is also a kurta set and this is how it looks. It's a full sleeves one and this is how it looks. It's like anarkali and this is the print. It's really nice kurta. The pant is also in the same color and the dupatta looks like this. Overall a really pretty kurta set and I've tried it and it looks really nice. And this was priced at 3000 rupees and I got it for 2300 rupees. So I got all these things in the Myntra EORS sale. You should definitely shop in the sale time, you get better deal. And also please let me know in the comment section what you all would like to see next. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna link it over here. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.